Movie Traumas. So today we are gonna take my dog Puppy. So, but do it. Do it. That's the weirdest burp I ever seen. It was like this. Oh. No, it was like this. I can do it exactly like him. I'm the dog person. Bye. Like and subscribe.